My great people, I welcome you to our special channel. Welcome to our Pidgin YouTube channel. So today we want to learn how to sew this fine circle blouse or gown where it is for your screen. So it depends on what you want to use your own do. If you want to make it be gown, fine. If you want, but just the basics now I want to show us. So I wish to appreciate everybody who don't subscribe. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscription. God bless all of you. So today we want to learn how to sew this thing, and this material now 1 yard of fabric. So the first thing what we're going to need to do now to fold our material into 2 equal parts like this. So this one 1 yard, as I say. So I fold my material into 2 just in case, because I know if we use this my table demonstrator with the material as you fold. So you fold your material into 2 like this. So after folding it into 2 like this, I can fold them into this shape. I can fold them like this into this triangular shape. So now like this, I take fold this material with day for this table. So the next thing we are going to do now, I go come for the material here, for this fabric here. So I go measure first of all, I go take the bust measurements. So the bust measurements for this particular person where they make this clothes for now 34 inches. So 34 divided by 4 now 8.5. So I will just add 1 inch for that allowance, or ½ inch, depends on you. So that one go make a 9.5. So 9.5 could be here. So make I just mark them 9.5 here, 9.5 here. So after I don't mark this 9.5 here, I will use this straight ruler, take connect them. So I don't connect them now. This one now could be the bust line. This place now the bust line. So from this place now, where this bust today, I will go up by 3 inches or 3.5 or 4 inches, depends on the person shoulder. So I will just go up by 3 inches. 3 inches is okay. So this 3 inches now will serve as the distance from the shoulder to the bust line. So from this, okay, I just take them, make it day straight. From here to here, 2.5. So here, I just want to make sure say I get straight line, so that I no go come get error. Three and half. So I will use my ruler, connect the lines together like so. So I don't connect them. The next thing what we go come do now, so this place now will come serve as our shoulder line or the neckline. So now here the neckline go day, that is the shoulder line. So the next thing what I go come do now, I go come for this side, this part where I measure now, I go check whether it reach the shoulder. Yes, so the shoulder for this pattern now 7 inches. The person's shoulder, that is across back, now 7 inches. So because say this pattern go get sleeve, I go just minus 2 inches from that 7 to make them 5. So 5 go there here. Okay, so 5 go there here. So from this 5 now, I will come connect them with my curved ruler. I will use my curved ruler, connect them to the armhole curve. So this now the armhole. Then I will come here for this neckline. Don't say I said this one now go day off shoulder. So this the neckline now from the back to the neckline go come be 5 inches. So the next thing we will go do now, you feel leave your own straight like this if you want, or you fit just curve them small. So I will just come down small just to give them small curve for the front here. I will just connect them to 1 inch. So just connect your own to 1 inch or ½ inch just to give them that round effect. So you see them. So basically what we do is say you go measure the distance, your bust measurements. You go impute them, find where your bust measurements fall here, impute them. When you don't impute them, you will come up by 4 inches So this 4 inches now, the distance between here and here, then go be the strap, the length of the strap where you go put. So I hope so now understand that. So from here to here now, either you come up by 4 inches, but me I use 3.5 inches. So this 3.5 inches now go serve as the strap length. Will serve as the strap, the length of the strap. So from this 3.5 inches, I come here, find the shoulder. The shoulder na 14 divided by 2, 7. So this na 7. But because they go dey off shoulder, I don't want make it dey fall off from my shoulder. So I minus 2 from that measurement to cut them to reach here. So here now na 5 inches. Then I can come down from this place where go be the neckline by 1 inch. Then I connect them back to the shoulder measurement. So I hope you understand them to that point. The next thing what we want to do now to find the length of the gown. So the length na 27. So that 27 you go find them from here. That is from the shoulder. I know say here now the new shoulder. So find your 27 inches. When you don't find them, you mark them. So you go mark them like this. And then you will come back to this point. You can't come back to this point. 27 plus, measure from here to here now 8. So from this 8 plus the length 27, it will be 35. I hope you now understand that. So you measure from here. Make I just use this paper illustrate them again. This now the bust measurement. This represents the bust measurement. From this bust measurement, go up by 3 inches or 4 inches. So this distance from here to here now will serve as the length of the rope. Then here now will come be the new neckline or shoulder. Now here the shoulder go there. So this shoulder now, you go measure them. So if your shoulder now 15, just minus 2 from that 15. So 15 divided by 2 now 7.5. So 7.5, because you know, so we always divide shoulder into 2. So 7.5 minus 2, it will be 5.5 inches. So just connect that 5.5 inches to the armhole to form the armhole. Then from there, you just measure the length of your gown from here. From this point, you go measure the length of your gown. Anything where you get, you will mark them. So you will come back to this point. So you will come back to this point. So you measure the distance between this tip and here. So here now I get 1.7. 1.7 plus the length of this gown from here to here, 8. So you go measure 8 round. So when you don't measure the 8 round, you go come cut them. So you see, you come cut your pattern. So this one now the simple way of explaining what I do, just in case some people don't understand them. So if I cut them now, I will see how the thing be. So you see, when you cut like this, cut this part, then cut off the armhole. So this now the armhole. So when you open them now, you see this now don't form your circle gown. Then the next thing where you go do, just open up this part. Open up this part. When you open up that part, then you will take your strap, attach them here to here. So the next thing where we want to do now for this our own, we go cut this our pattern. But you know, I say the length reach, so I go need to cut, add, join, so that the length go complete our full measurement. So make I cut them now. I go come attach them. I'll come show now. Then I'll cut off this pattern. I dey come. I no go take. Alright, so don't cut and finish. So you see, you can see, very nice and beautiful. Okay, so this side will not reach. I will just go add this remaining fabric join. So I go swam here like this. This one are the same. So I will just use my pin. Hold them first. pin them to this part here. See? Then okay, so since I don't add the remaining one, so I will just go sew am here for my machine. Then I go also sew am. So I dey do am for the benefit of those wey be say dem dey confused each time their material no long reach for this kind circle. So just add for the down, see am, just sew am together. When you sew am finish, after you don sew am, the next thing wey you go do, just fold your material back. Just fold the material back into the way wey e dey before. Then so when you fold am back, you come arrange am the way wey the circle dey. So see the circle as e be now. So you just trim am off. So you just trim am to the end, so the thing go align well. So I hope say una understand am. So the next thing wey I go do now, I go just go cut bias, take arrange this neckline and sew these two sides together. First I will sew the sides together. After I don sew this part, I don join this cut and join where I join for this side, I will go sew the side seam. After I don sew the side seam, I will come cut bias. Make I open this side up. Then I will cut bias use on the armhole and the neckline. Make I go do am now. Alright my people, so I don go join the material for down. You know say e no reach the length, so I don go join the two sides wey no reach. See as I take join am. So I join am with straight line here. I come iron am open. So if you open this side now, you see am, say the thing don dey flat. So the next thing wey I go do now, I go fold am back into two like e dey before. Then I go come turn am to this side where this line where I don already cut this side. So I go just use my scissors now, take trace out the outline. So this part wey don dey okay, so I will just trace am. This one are the attachments, so you go cut am join the way the first one take dey. So if you open am back now, you go see say the length don dey equal. So na so to take join. Just open your fabric, sew am inside. See, you can see now the length don dey equal. See, everything don dey equal. So see where we join. See where we join here. We join for this side and we join for this side. So the next thing wey I wan do now na to go cut my bias. So but I discover say this neckline too dey high, so I go just come down by ½ inch or 1 inch more. Make I just come down by 1 inch more here. Then from this 1 inch, just connect them direct to the to this point. So just connect them back here. Yeah. Then use your scissors, they cut them out so that everything will be easy to wear, because you know go get zip, so that it will be easy for you to put your head inside. Yes, so we don't get the size where we need. So just discard this. So if I open them now, oh yeah, see, I will just go use my bias take turn here. So make I go cut the bias now. They come, I'll come show now the next thing we will do. Okay my people, so see the bias where we want use take turn this neckline and the armhole, to knitting the neckline and the armhole. So see the one part of the cloth, see as I don't turn them. This is not the front side, so I don't use the bias turner. As you can see, I don't turn them with the bias. Then next thing I do, I come top stitch them. So I will go fold them now like this. So I will fold them now, then use stitch run them. But I don't feel like using machine take run them. I go like make this side dey open. So wetin I go just do be say I go use my hand needle take tack am put. Or wetin una feel, make I use machine run am, make the thing for stay well. So I'll go do for the second side. I'll come show now the outcome. I dey come. Alright my people, we don't go sew the neck, we don't knitting the neckline. The next thing we will go do now, we will use the same bias, take knitting this armhole. We'll use our knitting this armhole. So make I go do am now, I go come show. Now we go knitting the armhole first before we go come sew these sides together. Alright my people, we don't go sew, we don't knitting the rough edge. So at this point now we won't fix the strap. So if you don't want to make your own get strap, like this one where they do, so if you don't want to make your own get strap, you fit just cut sleeve, you know, attach here. It will come be off shoulder sleeve. If you attach sleeve here, then, or if you want to make your own get strap, see the strap where I want put. So I don't cut the strap, I don't sew them together. So I go just affix them here. Ordinarily, I suppose carry them, I suppose attach and affix them from this armhole side, you know, straight through the arm, through this shoulder. Then I will come measure the distance. Now remember then at 4 inches we go up by when we measure from the distance between the armhole and the neckline. So remember saying at 4 inches. So now that 4 inches now go be the distance, now go be the length of the strap. So we'll go our sewing machine like this. I will go affix this strap here like so. So make I go do it now. I go do it for the two side. I will come show now. So if at this point you decide say you want put normal regular sleeve, you dey free. But me I go just still continue with my strap where I want put. Make I go put am now. I come show now. They come. Okay, my people, we don't go fix the strap. See just look. See as we take fix them. Fix them for the front and for the back. Make I just cut off this excess thread so that it could in it. So you see, looking very fine. Now see the outside. So the next thing I will go do now, I will just go iron out everything so that the thing go lie flat well. And then I will put them for the mannequin so that you can see the final results. So if this video they helpful, if you enjoy them, I beg, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you will be the first person to know. So thank you for watching. I will see you for the next lesson. Now bye bye. Alright, so see the final outcome of our top. And I see everything fine. So I thank you for watching. Abeg, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you for the next video. Bye bye.